Our friends at Hunkydory have created a beautiful collection. They call it Teal Treasures. There are several things, and we're going to start with the luxury card kit. Now, these are all have teal foiling on them. So first of all, there's an instruction sheet just like that. And let me show you the papers, the die cuts. Foiled die cuts, as you can see, you're going to get two of everything I'm going to show you. You can see this is butterflies, dragonflies, all nature. Of course, there are greetings and messages on the sheet. And here are the adorable scorables to go with it. So we've got one that is foiled, and then we have one that is printed. Beautiful. There is the next one, so you can see the music going on. Just really pretty. Thank you. Happy birthday. You're the best. So the greetings all are very, very, very useful. These are three of the foiled die cuts, really gorgeous. And then there is the foiled adorable scorable and the printed. These are all A4 size. The flowers are luscious. You can see that teal going on. And again, we have a foiled paper, the adorable scorable cardstock, and then a printed one. Absolutely beautiful. The last one is this with peacocks and the bird here, and just gorgeous again. And this is the foiled. You can see that. And here's the printed. These are the duplicates of all of them. Again, you get two of each. So that's a total of 74 foiled die cuts, 8 printed adorable scorable, 8 foiled adorable scorable, and of course the idea sheet. Now they tell us that it will make 16 cards, but I have a feeling you can make even more than that. Now, what can you use this with? Well, look at this. This is called part of the Teal Treasures. This is the Mary card. Now it's A4 size. You can see how beautifully reflective it is. And there are 10 papers, 10 pieces of cardstock in the package. So that's going to go with the Teal Treasures, but that's not all. We also have 8x8 printed paper. So let me scoot this away so that we can get into this. Now, there are 12 designs. Won't this look pretty with those Mary cardstock? This is, as I said, 8x8. You're going to get 48 sheets. There are 12 designs, and you're going to get 4 of each. So let me just show them to you quickly. Butterflies, absolutely beautiful. And we have the peacock. So you're going to see the imagery that you saw in the die cuts, but how nice to have these to do even more with them. There we've got the flowers, we've got the roses, and I think I said these are 8x8, but just to make sure that they are printed single-sided. And here is the musical, more butterflies, more flowers, more dragonflies, beautiful roses. There's that peacock. There's the bird. I think it's a goldfinch, but I'm not sure. And so that's the 12. You're going to get, as I said, 4 of every single one in this padded package. So that's ready for you, but I am not done. We also have a smaller size. So this is the 4x4. There we go. I've got my sheets underneath. And this has 150. Can we get in closer on this, Steve? There are 150 sheets in here, and as I said, they are the 4x4. And let me just show you. You're going to get 25 designs, and you're going to get 6 of each one. So the smaller size and the imagery is going to be larger, so you can really focus in on it. Again, it is the imagery from the luxury card kit, but you get so much more. And just really fun to get close up on this. And yes, we will be doing a webisode showing all of them. And these are, and again, these are printed single-sided. They are a little bit of a shiny paper, and you can stamp on them if you want to. Just be sure to use a waterproof ink pad and more. Some of them have words, so that's nice to have. Let's make our dreams come true together. Happy birthday, true friends. I want to be your favorite hello and your hardest goodbye. I think that's wonderful. And then the roses. Now, I have one more. I'm telling you, this thing never ends. Now, this is another card kit, or a special kit. And let me show you. You know what? I don't think I showed you that one on the small paper pack. So there we go. And now we're going to go into this. And this is a Teal Treasures bookmark card. So this makes a card, but it's going to have a little bookmark or a little tag with it. So you do get the instructions, and Hunkydory is just great about that. And so that's all right here. Also shows you some of the cards that you will complete. And if we can get in close on that. Thank you, Steve. So you can see there's what the card looks like, but then when you lift up the insert, you're going to see something inside. So you end up having this bookmark or a tag, whatever you want to call it. So there's this reveal that goes on. Let me show you the artwork. So we'll back up again. Again, we're going to have the foiling in teal. So this is going to create the part that goes on top of the card, and then this pops out, and you can use this other places. This is going to be underneath this section, and this becomes the backing, and then you've got all sorts of die cuts and so forth. So you've got this one, you've got this, and you get duplicates of both of them. So there are 36 foil die cuts. You're going to make 4 cards out of this. So you're getting 2 of these and 2 of these. And then you also get the card bases. So here's the card base. And then you're going to make this little piece right here is going to fold back and make a little box to sit on top of this. This is going to go inside the box against the card, so that when you reveal the card, the tag, you'll see something. So that works out nicely. So these are the 4 cards. These are the fronts of the cards. So you can see that area is left empty. And then you also get the envelopes. You also get the ribbon that is going to be used to reveal that bookmark and pull it up. So everything is included here. Very, very special kit. And all of this is under the Teal Treasures designing. So you've got several things. And isn't that Mary cardstock beautiful? I love the foiling, and it's all here.